In this video, we're going to cover the next piece of the form, which is the Seung Tan Sao, or double dispersing hands. Let's start with how we do it in the form. We're at Jarm Sao. From here, tuck the thumbs, spiral at the wrists, twist in, and bring the hands forward. So again, we're here, twist in as we go forward. Now keep in mind that this is mostly going to be spiraling and the hands are moving in from twisting the arms. So you don't want to just move the hands together. You want to twist them as they go forward. From the side, Jarm Sao, double tons. Now, you'll likely be using this pretty rarely in a fight, but this is useful when it comes to somebody trying to choke you. Bring your hands up, connecting on the inside of their arms with the thumb side. Spread their arms apart and away from you. Secondly, the way this spirals, as it twists in, your arms are preparing themselves to snap into another strike or another block. So for the strike, you can spiral in, and then they'll spiral out as we do two palms to the head. Spiral in, spiral out. And that spiral adds power to the strike. This is also the same principle applied to karate. When they punch, they start by bringing the arm up this way, and they spiral it at the last second to get that further energy. It delivers more power than just pushing at short range, because your arm's generating energy when it's twisted. As it untwists, adds more power to the strike. Now, this will also play into the next hand posture, which is do the tons, and then we snap into double grabbing hands, or double lop saos. And we'll talk about those in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay awesome. I'll see you all next time. Take care.